Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Make 4 holes on this bottle and then put the stick and bottle caps together. Make the tire. Now we're going to tie this balloon on the top of the straw. Paste it like we're doing here. Blow the balloon. Remove it and look, your moving car is ready. Let's make fun car at home for kids. So we're going to reuse straws and ice cream sticks. We can also make the tire using bottle cap, tie it using rubber band and then spin it and look, it's ready. So we're going to make fan today. Here we're going to take these ice cream sticks and make holes on the top of it. Now you can remove the wire from the mask and tie all of them together like we're doing here in this video. Tie a knot from both the sides. Now we're going to paste this paper on the top of it using double-sided tape. Cut it from the top and start folding each one of the sticks like this. And look, your fan is ready. Today we are going to make this fun game at home. So we're going to take this A4 sheet of paper, make 3 folds and then start folding it from the top as well and make this cone shape. Repeat the same process from the bottom, tuck the paper inside and then we are going to flip it and make 2 folds. After this we are going to make the basket. So fold the paper and paste it using double-sided tape and look, it is ready. Today we are going to make this rat using craft paper. Take this square paper and fold it from both the sides and make the triangular shape. Keep folding it from the center part. Flip it and again fold it from the bottom. Make the triangular shape, fold it into half. Now we are going to make the tail. So tuck the paper inside and fold it like this. Make small pleats. Let's make the ears. You can take help of this pen. Paste googly eyes and it's ready. Today we are going to recycle this old paper and make a fun craft for kids. Fold this paper into 3 times and then again fold it. Make a stick by folding another paper and then make this pistol shape. Tuck the paper inside and then keep folding it from the front as well. Paste it using this sellotape. Now we are going to put this rubber band and this way you can play with it at home. So we're going to take this A4 sheet of printed paper, make 4 folds and then open it. Again fold it into half. Here we are going to make the pleat. So tuck the paper inside from both the corners and make the triangular shape. Now open it and keep folding it. We are making the box here. Finally we're going to tuck the paper inside as well and paste it using double-sided tape. We are adding more details like this bow and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.